Find out how to customize and pin charts to your Azure dashboard in this edition of Azure Tips and Tricks. There's so many different ways that I could customize the dashboard inside of my Azure portal. Not only can I drag resources around, but I can actually pin charts onto the dashboard itself. So I'm going to go into one of my resource groups, and I'm going to select this Applications Insight resource because I know it has some charts in it that's really important to me. So here I have this overview timeline chart that's showing me some server responses and page load times. Now, let's say I want to see this chart every time I come into the portal. I'm going to click on this icon that's here on the right, and then I'm going to hit Pin to Dashboard. And now, my chart has been pinned to the dashboard. I'm going to hit GD, my shortcut key to go back to the dashboard. Now you see my overview timeline is here in front. Now I'm going to drag this over because I want this to be front and center. So I'm going to have this be like the first thing that I see when I come into my dashboard. I'm going to hit Done Editing. And here we go. Now, every time I log into the portal, this information is going to be the first thing I see so I can monitor and know what's actually happening with my application.